For shaving, we have to moisturize our face. So here I am taking my vitamin E capsule Evian, and I bought these razors from my local shop here. So this is the way I'm gonna shave. I'm keeping the razor in 90-degree angle to my skin. So this is a kind of exfoliation which helps to remove all the dead skin cells from your skin and also help the makeup to sit properly. And I also do my own eyebrows, so yeah. So this is my homemade scrub. I made it by grinding rice. Here I am removing all the excess dirt, oils from my skin. I have already used a mild face wash, and now with water I am applying this rice scrub. And yeah, don't forget to moisturize your face. And this is my last minute skincare routine for any kind of festivals. Keep following for more such tips. See you in the next video.